shortcut method for the calculation of mean when the grouped data is given. We will go with the same problem in the previous video. The marks are given, the classes of marks are between 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, so on up to 70 to 80. And number of students are also given. So, number of students are also given. Now, in the shortcut method, we have to take a assumed mean. We have to take a assumed mean. So, we can take this assumed mean as a middle value of x, that is a midpoint. Sometime in case of group frequency distribution, we will take a midpoint of this midpoint. Okay, so we will first write this data into table format, that is marks, number of students, midpoint. Okay, so marks are 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Number of students 4, 18, 22, 24, 19, 10 and 3. We will calculate the midpoint m by using the same method in the previous video. So it is 15, 25, 35, 45, then 55, 65 and 75. While taking the midpoint, we will see there are total 7 values. So we will skip these 3 and also these 3, and we can take assumed mean as a 45. In case of there are more than one values, that is 2 values, we will take a midpoint as a midpoint of x as a midpoint as a value which have the maximum frequency, that is from having maximum value from this column. But now we can easily take the midpoint here because 7 values are given, so 4th value is the midpoint. Now from this midpoint we have to calculate a d. D is equal to m minus a, that is a is a assumed mean. So a is assumed mean, that is a 45. So we have to perform this operation m minus a, that is 15 minus 45. That is answer is 30, but 45 is a greater number, so minus 30. Then 25 minus 45, that is minus 20. Then 35 minus 45, that is minus 10. 45 minus 40 equal to 0. Then 55 minus 45 is equal to 10. 65 minus 45 is equal to 20. And 75 minus 45 is equal to 30. Now from this we have to calculate f multiplied by d. So we will multiply this column with this column, that is minus 30 multiplied by 4, that is minus 120. Then minus 20 multiplied by 18, that is minus 360. Then 22 multiplied by minus 10 is equal to minus 220. Then 24 multiplied by 0, that is 0. 19 multiplied by 10 is equal to 190. Then 10 multiplied by 20 is equal to 200. And 3 multiplied by 30 is equal to 90. We have followed this procedure to remove the complex calculation or complex multiplication which was present in a previous direct method. Now we will sum this FD, that is summation FD. For calculating summation FD, we are using our calculator. So it's a minus 220. Also we have to calculate this column also, total of this column, that is n, which is known as a summation f also. N is 100. Now the formula for the shortcut method, that is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd divided by n. So we need a and summation fd also, so we form these two column. Now we know that a is a 45 plus summation fd is equal to minus 220 divided by n is equal to 100. So first we will perform this operation, that is minus 220 divided by 100 is equal to 45 plus in bracket minus 2.20, that is equal to 45 minus 2.220, that is equal to 42.8 marks. You can check from this video that this mean is also equal to the mean calculated by previous direct method. And the next method is a step deviation method to calculate a mean of group frequency distribution using a step deviation method. You have to check my next video.